Hello guys, today's the CPI day and I just wanted to present my screen with you guys. I've taken a trade and so this is the trade which I've taken, and if we just see the data is it's a mixed data. So you can see that the core CPI is basically a consumer price index. It's also a proxy for an indicator as well for measuring the inflation. CPI is actually more based on like individual as well as like consumer approach. So if we see like the unemployment claims, they are increased from the forecasted ones. So this means that the unemployment is being increased. So the the CPI that is uh, that is a core CPI which eliminates certain energy products, and CPI monthly and yearly they got improved. So it shows that the dollar is getting strong and as well as getting weak. So yeah, so coming back to the trade is still like as I just already mentioned yesterday that it's still all probability, right? So what end up happening that the price just make this divergence, like volatile move is just like uh both sides were taken out, and then there was like a bearish move and the price came back up, right? And this is where the R closed, and this is a new R candle. Like you can see, this is where the R closed, and this is a new R candle now. So the chances for this candle to be pushed down, there are chances because like it all almost like moved for 1:1 or something like that. But let's see. This is how trading works. So I'll come back with the result. So guys, the trade, the close is a bullish close. The close is a bullish close, and it can form a morning star pattern, kind of like this. It can go up. So still we are holding. We are not going anywhere because it's the probability each and every time. There's nothing sure in a trade. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Our stop loss is at this point, and I always use as a fixed stop. And if it doesn't work, so that's a good thing too, because here we have some of the resistances out here. So we'll see like if we can find any other continuation trade, or is it like a full liquidity sweep and the price is going there. Like the most unique part of this trade is if you see this candle, it is this candle is totally in line with the new one which is formed, right? Let me show you guys. I'm saying that this candle is so in line with this one, see? And it's like, like in trading, what I believe that everything is super, super, super calculated. And similarly, see this top line is in line with this one. There's also liquidity sweep on the other side. So it's astonishing, right? Like how the price went up to till this point, taking out these people, how the price went down in the same level, exactly taking out this. It could have gone and got back up from this point, from this point, from any point. But why this? But because everything is controlled, everything is calculated out there. So it's totally binary, like 0 and 1. So I don't know the outcome, but what I know is uh, the price is going against, and it can hit the loss level right away, right now, and I will wait for the next opportunity. So I'll try that stream stay connected. So you guys can watch. Hi guys, I hope you're still there. So, did you see how it actually moved? So, it's really important to have a broker with good spreads. So, the thing is that I'm still in the trade from the point I was, and I'm here like for 148,585, and my trade is still running. So, let's see it triggers the alert or not, because I'm quite hopeful that there is a bearish momentum. And like, if you understand the importance of levels, so you can see like how the price went up till this point and it just like went down, but I would still say that it is all based on the probabilities. It's nothing more than that. So in order for you guys to understand that like it's some magic or something, literally, like the price was turning around from this point and it was like going up. And but the thing is that you have to trust in the plan which you have got. You have to understand the importance of your own plan. That's why you have made the plan. Then this plan actually defines you. So let's see if it push down more, because after that I would be just moving my stop loss, and will be taking a partial as well. So yeah, this point is also really important, because it is also like, if you go on daily time frame, so it is also a Tuesday high, kind of like a good support. I can show you like what I'm talking about. Wait. Okay, guys, if you see here what I'm talking about, that if you see on a higher time frame, like the price is here, right? So this is how the price was actually going. This is how the price was going. So this is like a candle that has been formed, that is basically a support, right? So this support is actually, if you just see it, like, let's see, if the price opened from here, right? Let's consider like that. Price opened from here, price went down, right? And then price went up, and price closed here. So if we see in a candle form, so is this the price went up, price closed like in a pin bar format, like let me, for all the newcomers, like I would just want to make it like, say, right? And right, let's consider it like a bullish stuff. And so the price formed like that. See, the price opened from this point, right? The price opened from this point. This is the open. The price went down and the price went up. So this thing is like really, really important. This block is really important. I hope you would understand this, because it is a bit advanced in a sense, but that's it. That's how it is. This is how I actually look into the stuff. Like, there's a lot of stuff on YouTube, and I wouldn't say that my strategy or like this strategy is wrong. Everybody is right. Like, this is what the beauty of the market, that it absorbs everybody. It encapsulate everybody. So it is really important. So kind of like, it's a it's a time like you can even get out and um, lock the stuff. But let's see. That's a fact that we need to wait. We need to we need to understand the importance of patience. Guys, if you understand, like this was the point for like a perfect partial position. You could have like added the position here too. So it's a re-chance, and I hope this candle can push down further. I don't know, but what I'm just saying that it could be a good point of re-entry. I'm ready to take a partial right away. Hmm. I would be like locking 70%. Hmm. There are like this this green line which I've marked here, like this could be a part, this could be a new entry as well. Like from right from here it could be too. So but I wasn't like super ready for it right now, but just telling for the professionals. People sometimes start setting layers of trade, like they just start clicking all over. You have like seen, and there are some people that use algos for it. So that's good. Like algos sometimes, like they just like add algo from this point and they just exit at this and all of the- it's just like the price moves back and they're just out. But as far as like I believe that if there's a human being out here, he can't trade like computers. There's no point that a human brain would work as fast as computers. So don't try to overburden yourself. Increasing the, I would just like, I would love to add positions, but the position should be like, for example, like this is the, uh, let me use another tool, a proper one. Hmm. I would love to like add the position, but like see, for example, this is the move that happened, right? The price went up, price went down, price went up, price went down, right? So what I would be doing, like for example, if I'm taking a trade from here, right? Let's see if I enter from here, this would be my stop loss, right? So price is coming down here, fine. But I'm just talking about like how we can re-enter. So what end up happening that if the price goes back up there again, like up, because you have entered already from this point, right? So price goes again, it goes down, so you can re-enter here. So it should be in a proper continuation section. And still the price is hovering over the, I don't know, it can even like reverse all over. So it's kind of like messy right now. Let's see. Hello guys. I hope you guys saw that. So there was like a alert triggered here. I took my partial right away, and I took my partial here. So it's a good profit. So right now, what I would be doing is putting the stop loss at break even. So let the position run. Although like there are two concepts out here, there are certain people that believe that you should have like a fixed level of profit. So there are certain people who believe that you can let the position run. So letting the position run when it's a CPI, it's like it's a good deal, but we can take another partial here. It's not a problem, but the thing is that you are supposed to have the size for that. So now let's see the stop loss where we can actually keep it. Hmm. Anyway, I hope you liked this trade, and it was a win-win. So guys, this is like what I want to like explain right now, that this point of like 148 to 57 point, it's like really important. told you like why it's important. Like I told, like in the beginning of the stream, I was telling like everything is like super calculated and this stuff like binary. Like remember that statement, right? So the price came up to this point, right? And price kind of like went up from here, from this point, from this level, we took a short position. So the price started going up, and like the idea, it's still working, although it was like so near to the stop, but I wasn't stopped out. So the thing is that this why this level is so important, because it is why this level is so important because it is the current low. This is the new low of the price. So because if you see like the historical data, like the data of the left hand side, that data has a value, but the fresh ones, they are something that is more important. So we'll be looking at this point. Let's see the price push down furthermore, and see this is 148 level. It's really important as well. It is really aligning with the Thursdays, with the previous week's Wednesdays low. So we are about to get stopped out on break even, but I have secured enough. Anyway, guys, I hope you would look into it further, that how these things work. This is the harsh reality of this work. So you have to face this, but uh, it's a simple thing that the movement of the price is independent of everything. It is independent of my moods. It is independent of what are my needs. It is independent of when I'm waking up, what I'm thinking, what are my moods. It's like totally a different thing. So only we can understand like where are our opportunities out here. Where are we present in uh this part? So on the other hand, we are providing the liquidity for the market to stop us out. But on the other side, if you know the work and you think like what liquidity providers are doing and how they are flushing out the people, so you just need to think like them. That's it. So what was the thing like this point? This is the point where the price came till down. So in order to like see what's next, yeah, we can. I wouldn't be like working more right now because I have to do something else. So anyway, I locked in my profit and I'm happy with it, because like this is like you need to understand the difference between a currency pairs uh and other metals. Like mostly people are trading gold and like other Nasdaqs and all that stuff. So if you see like what's the pip? So this is a 41 pip candle, right? So the price opened from here, price went down, price came back and closed up here, right? 49 pips, right? And this is 31 pips, this is 20 pips, this is 27 pips, this is 21 pips, and this is 23 pips. So catching a 23 pips move when the the total range, it was like almost 40, in which the half returned as well. Like you can see like this is a half move that reversed back, right? So 23 pips was like reversed back and we got 23 pips from here. There is no other way in the entire world that we could have locked more. We have locked with our full potential. So guys, this is the point of happiness, this is the point of learning, that you need to understand that you can't lock what more than what market provides. That's the point. That's the main motive, that you can't lock more than what market provides. Anyway, we are done. So the thing is that this long candle, there was no way that we could have entirely ever locked that. So just for a learning purpose, before I go, for example, like the price was coming down. Let's see, the price was coming down. The price was making like lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then price went up, tried to make the high, but it failed. It was kind of a lower low, right? Sorry, a lower high. So if a person like before CPI, right? This was like a CPI data at 8:30 a.m. Because I'm here in New York. So um, the thing is that if the price was coming down, price broke this point, right? As a normal trader, right? As a normal trader, a person would enter at this point. We are talking about a learning purpose, right? These are the points where you people need to understand that you need to highly focus, because these are the points where I would be telling about the sources which I mentioned, the secret sauces, the golden nuggets. And if you guys wouldn't be able to focus on this, there is no way you would be like uh be searching for the trade, waiting for the trade. It's not how things run. You need to like understand what's the logic behind it, like it's the way how the world works, because this is how things are. So anyway, if a person enters here, right? If a person is entering here based on the CPI, because this candle is not made on that point, right? So he would be like taking a short position based on like his data here, or maybe like on an hourly time frame here. It could be anywhere, right? So how the price reacted is that the price went up because the CPI was positive, and then price was dragged down because the unemployment was bad. Unemployment rate was bad. These were the claims, unemployment claims data that just came out. It was more that I explained earlier in this in the link. So guys, like what's most important thing is that um wait a minute. So guys, what's most important thing is people who entered here, they were like literally knocked out. I know you guys would be saying like we didn't enter, but masses enter. Try to understand the market which has like buyers and sellers present all the time with this intensity and with this liquidity. You can't even imagine that how quick the orders will be filled. That's why it is most liquid market in the entire world. It's called the biggest bazaar out here, you know. And that's why I am here, because I don't want to go out and say people that buy this thing from me, buy that thing from me, because I am so used to this stuff that I am not going outside and asking you, because I'm like made up with the mentality that my things would be like bought and sold in a second. You know, this is the beauty of this market, that your things, your buy and sells. You want to buy a thing, you want to sell a thing, you're going to get it in seconds. And if you're getting that thing in seconds, wouldn't you like it? Wouldn't you want it to do more? So in order to do it more, you need to understand that